tell me about the AgriNeTT project, and also at what stage has the project reached?
The AgriNeTT project is a project geared towards infusing ICT in agriculture. What we want to do is to build a knowledge-intensive economy, agricultural economy. We want to make farmers more competitive, and overall the whole aim is to help improve food security. AgriNeTT project is a project that has come out of the Department of Computing and Information Technology at UWI, as well as the Faculty of Food and Agriculture at UWI. And we also have a number of farmers and other institutions. The aim of the project, as it has come down, is to really develop applications for farmers and for policymakers to be able to improve farm management, to be able to allow farmers to have data about their farms and to be able to improve what they're doing.
Are there any other applications arising out of the AgriNeTT project? Yeah,
we actually have about 4 applications in various stages of development or have launched. The other, apart from the Agri-Expense, about 2 weeks ago we launched another app called Market Watcher. This app pulls data from the NAMDEVCO website on daily prices, and it generates the current daily prices of all the commodities that are sold in the market. And farmers and even consumers can set alerts if they're interested in a particular crop, where they can be alerted to the fact that there's a change in the price. At the back end of that app, we have set up cloud services, and integrated with that, we have built a number of data analytic modules so that we can analyze the price of different commodities that we get from NAMDEVCO. We have about 8 years of data, daily data, to be able to look for the patterns in the prices of a particular crop. And what we're working on now is the predictive part, where we'll be able to say, well, this crop is expected to go at this particular price in 3 months or 6 months, or whatever is the time frame according to the length of time that it takes for the crop to, from planting to harvesting. As we started, we realized the lack of data around for policymakers and for farmers, but particularly policymakers, was a serious problem. And so the AgriNeTT project moved in the direction of open data. Open data in the world has been a real driver for development. And in Trinidad, we developed the Open Data platform, and we have 2 platforms, one for more textual type of data, and the other one for spatial data, data.tt and maps.tt. And we have worked with a number of institutions to get data onto this site. So one of the other apps that we're working on is called AgriMaps, and it's using data from the spatial open data platform, where we have data on land use, on soils, on rainfall, on environmental features and so on. And that app is going to allow anybody, but particularly farmers, to be able to stand at a location, pick up their GPS, and then they'll be able to identify all the features of the land around it. And then I'll mention the last of the other applications that we're working on is a pest and disease diagnosis system, where the farmer will again be able to use his phone and go through a sequence of questions and activities, and the system will be able to automatically diagnose the problem that the farmer is having.